This is 820 de la Bosque. This sits along the nicest corridor of real estate in Seminole County, right along Markham Woods Road. This property sits on a half-acre lot. It's beautiful. Right along some real expensive real estate. This is an older home that's been remodeled. Doesn't photograph well from the outside, but it's gorgeous inside. It's a pool home. Kind of a little barn on the property. These canna lilies all bloom beautifully in the summertime. It has an enormous rose bush. Beautiful thing. Screen pool. Take us in through the garage, which I normally wouldn't do. This garage is air conditioned for any people that like to putter around the garage. This also has a tankless water heater, so you never run out of hot water. This is the laundry room. There's off the back of the laundry room. There's it's not a fourth bedroom. It can be used as a home office. There's no closet in here. Really nice, warm and inviting kitchen. Refinished cabinets, beautiful granite, good quality Whirlpool appliances, lots of counter space and cabinet space, a place for wine bottles and so forth. Really well done. Wood-burning fireplace, natural hardwood floors. It's a vinyl floor in the family room, which makes a lot of sense when you consider it's right by the pool. Beautiful windows, high ceilings in this room. Nice views out back. There are integrated window blinds in the doors. Two water features, kind of give you some white noise. Something to look at. Beautiful pool. It's been custom finished inside. Nice brick paver surround. And brick pavers out around the pool and all the way out into the driveway. Outdoor shower. Lots of storage space. Here's the front door. It has a nice screen porch in the front. All raised panel doors, lots of storage. The guest bathroom has been completely remodeled, all the way down to the studs. New tub, beautiful tile, new plumbing. New floor. Vanity, mirror, lights, all new. Okay. And then in the guest rooms, They have custom built-in armoire and shelving. Nice views out front. Gorgeous piece of property. The second guest room, same deal. Master suite is really well appointed. It's a nice size space with a hardwood floor, ebony finish. Large walk-in closet with some built-in organizers. Kind of a little sitting area here. Nice views. And the master bath is all white marble. Upgraded vanities. Beautiful two-person tub, whirlpool tub. It's jetted. You have a tankless commode and a beautiful glass shower. It has shower heads along here, here, and there, as well as in the ceiling. There's 4 adjustable heads up there, so it's a really entire bathroom is pretty luxurious. Okay, so this is 820 de la Bosque in Longwood.